Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video. Got a pretty sweet giveaway going, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, today, mushroom gravy. Two ways, savory brown and creamy white. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving, and we got to start with the basics. Alright, grab a big yellow onion, cut it in half, dice it up. You only need half of this onion. And let's get right to cooking. Medium heat. A little bit of oil in the pan, and we're going to throw our onions in the pan and get them stirring around. You want to get them to about a translucent point. We're throwing in a pound of mushrooms. Stir those up a little bit. They're going to cook down. I know it's a little crowded, so there's going to be a lot of moisture. We'll get to that later. All right, we need 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to chop those up pretty big because they're going into a gravy. We're going to stir that around, and we're going to get them going. See all that moisture releasing? That's a good sign right there. We need some veggie broth, 1 cube, 2 cups of water. We're also going to put in 1 capful of liquid smoke into here, just give it a little bit more of that meaty flavor. All right, vegan roux time, 1/3 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. All right, now we're going to throw in our broth and stir that up. I like to use a whisk here to make sure that all the clumpiness of the flour is gone, and then you're going to boil, bring down to a simmer, boom, brown mushroom gravy. This stuff is so good, so tasty, so very umami. All right, let's turn it into white gravy. Soak a cup of cashews for about 15 minutes in some warm water. Take 3/4 cup of fresh water, put it into your single serving size blender with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, your drained cashews, and get to pulsing. All right, we're going to pulse that up until it's into a nice creamy texture, looking about like this. Then we're just going to pour it into our already made brown gravy that's been simmering while we made the cream. And this is really easy. You just kind of pour it in. We're going to stir it around, and it's going to be white gravy. Guys, these are 2 different kinds of gravies that you're going to want at Thanksgiving. You're not going to want to be sitting on the sidelines when it's gravy time. You can put it all over your food because that's what you do at Thanksgiving, right? This is super easy, super delicious. Give it a shot. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it and which one you liked better. All right, so let's get into the giveaways. Thug Kitchen 101, going to be giving a copy away of this at the 500 subscriber mark. Again, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We will see you again next time, and stick around for more Thanksgiving-themed videos. Bye, y'all.